Today we will see Planet First Second Standard Environmental Science textbook. In this, let us go through Chapter 9 Means of Transport. Chapter 9 Means of Transport. Let's dive in. Warm up. Look at the following pictures of vehicles that we use to travel from one place to another. Can you identify them? Which of these do you see more commonly around you? Transport. We use different vehicles to go to different places. The way of carrying goods and people from one place to another is known as transport. The vehicles used for carrying people or goods from one place to another are known as means of transport. Some vehicles are used for long distance and some are used for short distances. Traveling in the past. Our world is huge, so we cannot reach all places by walking. We use different vehicles to reach different places. But do you know that many years ago, people used to travel from one place to another on foot? They used to carry their goods on their shoulders or drag them on sledges which were made with logs of wood tied together. Later, they also began to use animals such as elephants and bullocks to carry their goods. They also realized that if they tied a sledge to a pack of animals, more goods could be transported. Early people perhaps also noticed that logs of wood rolled down the steep ground easily. This might have given them the idea of a wheel. The addition of wheels to the sledge helped it to move faster. Traveling today on land. Nowadays, in cities and towns, there are various means of transport. We can travel by buses, cars, auto rickshaws, bicycles and cycle rickshaws. In some parts of our country, especially in villages and small towns, bullock carts, camel carts and tongas are also used to move from one place to another or to carry goods. All these vehicles run on roads. Trains are another mode of land transport. However, they run on tracks laid on the ground. These tracks are called rails. Trains carry people and goods to different parts of the country. In our country, cities such as Kolkata, Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai and Chennai have metros for traveling within the city. An illustration of a chariot used in the past, a tonga found in India today, a metro in Delhi. Traveling today on water. We use different means of water transport to travel across lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. Boats are used to travel short distances on water. Rafts are used to travel across the streams and rivers. We sail on ships to travel long distances. Ships are big in size and carry a large number of people and goods. Traveling today in air. We travel in the air by aeroplane and helicopters. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. They cover long distances in very little time. We also travel in hot air balloon for joyrides. Fuel. Most modern vehicles such as cars, buses, scooters, motorcycles, etc. use engines to run. These vehicles need petrol, diesel or CNG as a fuel to run. Steamers and steam trains need coal to run. Most fuels are not good for our environment because when they are burnt, they give out smoke that makes the air dirty. We must avoid using vehicles that use such fuels as far as possible. We should walk or cycle to travel short distances. This keeps us healthy and also it helps us to save fuel. Let's reel in. Summing up: transport, means of transport: road, bus, rail, train, water, ship, air, aeroplane. Fuel: petrol, CNG, diesel, coal. Most fuels are harmful to our environment. Exercises: who am I? I am a means of water transport. I am filled with air, raft. I am the fastest means of transport, aeroplane. I have 2 wheels. I do not use fuel, bicycle. I am a ship with a steam engine, steamer. I move on tracks, it's a train. Fill in the blanks. The way of carrying goods and people from one place to another is known as transport. Trains run on tracks laid on the ground. Boats are used to travel short distances on water. We sail on ships to travel long distances on water. Steamers and steam trains need steam engine to run. Write T for true and F for false. Many years ago, people used to travel to different places on foot. True. Wheels have made traveling slower. False. Tongas are found in all large cities. True. Steamers are filled with air. False. Most modern vehicles use engine to run. True. Answer the following questions. What are known as means of transport? What gave early people the idea of a wheel? Name a few vehicles used in the cities. Why are most fuels harmful to the environment? Then comes the activity. This completes the chapter. For the next chapter, you can follow my next video. Playlists are created and videos are uploaded in sequential order so that you won't miss any of the chapters. Thank you.